Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cookies out of box cake mix. Mix 1 box of cake mix with 2 large eggs and 1/2 cup of softened butter or oil until a soft dough forms. Chill the dough for 20 minutes to firm up texture. Scoop tablespoons onto a baking sheet, flatten slightly, and bake until edges are set and tops spring back. Let cookies cool 5 minutes before serving. Choose a cake mix that tastes good on its own and will hold up when baked as a cookie. I like chocolate or spice mixes because they make a firmer cookie base. Stir in chocolate chips, chopped nuts, or dried fruit for contrast. For chewier results, add 1 tablespoon of honey or corn syrup and reduce baking time slightly. Watch closely near the end so cookies don't overbake and dry out. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy warm, cozy baking sessions, treat your feet too. Go darn tough with cushioned socks and a lifetime warranty for long kitchen shifts. They stay comfy while you bake multiple batches, and they wash like a champ. If you like this tip, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful videos about simple kitchen hacks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees F and line baking sheets with parchment paper to prevent sticking. Scoop dough into tablespoon-sized portions, then space cookies 2 inches apart so they bake evenly. Gently flatten each dough ball so centers cook through. Bake until edges set and tops spring back, which usually takes 8 to 10 minutes depending on oven. Let cookies cool on the sheet for 5 minutes before moving to a rack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.